How's it, Al?
Laurie, happy 2026, bud.
Same to you, my friend.
To the channel, to our 30,000 subscribers.
And straight into the content. We're in the Jetour T1 today, which is like actually taken the motoring arena by storm.
I heard, it's a rumor, they sold over 600 T1 and T2s in November. The first month on the market.
It's unbelievable.
That tells you a lot, doesn't it?
And I have seen quite a few of them populating the road.
No, there are lots on the road.
So great offering.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's a solidly built car. We've spoken about that in our longer videos.
Smooth, comfortable,
well planted,
space.
Yeah, space. You got space. I mean, you know, you've got power. It's got 180 kilowatts, 375 newtons.
Yeah.
And
of course, a massive screen.
Massive. And I'll tell you something, Al, that's just one thing. I think towards the end of the year, I alluded in videos, I have got used to these big screens with their great resolution. I really like them now.
And the camera, the reverse and overhead cameras, you get everything. I
just find that some of the older cars are quite dated with the resolution of the cameras, and they're quite small. But anyway, you know what, price-wise, very good. I mean, you said 634,900
for the top spec. You can jump into a 1.5 version from 515,000.
Yeah.
Hang on, 515. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, amazing value. On that bombshell,
Laurie and Al, out.